Well, friends, here is some good news, and that is regarding jobs. As you can see, this is an article that has been published in Times of India 14 June Sunday, and it says that there has been some hiring going on in few sectors, and things are limping back to normal in the sector, namely FMCG, healthcare, and ecom, facility management, cyber security. So I will read it for you. There are some signs for revival, as the article says. There have been some uptick in hiring in the economy, although it's too early to say anything. But then, education technology like those teaching online, say things like BYJU and other smart classes for school going students that's happening nowadays. It- It's becoming more and more online, and people are being hired for that, which includes people in the sales, content creators, and technology people. Similarly, those coaching classes, they are also now doing a lot of use of technology and are teaching online. Then, as we know, e-commerce. Now, apart from essential things, online non-essential things are also being sold. Recently, my brother purchased a big size TV, and it was online. Many of my friends are also now buying online. Then data processing, supply chain management, banking, FMCG, healthcare, insurance, digital experts, fintech, and pharma have witnessed an increase in hiring, as the article says. No doubt, as you can see, during the lockdown, recruitment was down, and it was down to an extent of 80%, as the article says. But hiring is picking up only in select sectors, not all the sectors. And in select sectors, the hiring will momentum will continue, as it says. But sectors like tourism are unlikely to see any major progress, Misha says. So sectors like tourism and all, they are still way far behind. Uh, rest of the article is in page 11. I am opening it for you. Okay. By June end, some sectors to hit pre-COVID hiring levels. Sectors like aviation, tourism, and hospitality will take some time to revert, he says, as the expert says. Manufacturing and telecom are coming to normal gradually. and are expected to pick up further. Acha, what is funny thing? In the immediate run, the firm said the profiles that are growing include doctors, nurses, paramedics, phlebotomist professionals in healthcare, production, sales, and logistics professions, FMCG, warehouse, executive, delivery. In the medium to long term, digital marketing, sales executive, technology experts in banking, financial services are expected to gain. Hiring happening, but in a very need based and transactional manner. The hiring industry is not even at 30% of what we should ideally be. Companies are very cautious about adding new headcounts. One must bear in mind that businesses are not fully functional yet. With lot of businesses now having a good grip on work from home. This is a very important statement. So, my friends, things are still gradually moving. It will take some time. Hiring are happening only in select sectors. So, मंजिल अभी दूर है. That is the crux of the matter.